guys, let me interrupt your video really quick because time is freaking running out. Look, our 7th giveaway is running out of time. 3 winners. First winner, Dakota Digital of your choice with a new rad install kit. Second winner, over $1,500 worth of fiddle fart fabrication goodness shipped to your door for your ride. You pick it out. It's pretty freaking epic. And the third winner gets a FoxLocks keyless entry system. Guys, this one is the Mac Daddy. All kinds of epic goodness coming out of this giveaway. Do not miss out. Ends very soon. thefoxcast.com/shop. Grab anything in the store. Every $5 spent gets you 1 entry, and you're in. All right, guys. Fun times. Trans is in, so I can actually start building the engine bay. But now it's time to do the fun stuff. We're gonna put these wheels on, and I'll drop a picture right up here. The vision we had for this car is about to happen. Long time later. Should we put these things on? Yeah, let's put them on. Already got a lot of money in it. Oh, we got leaves. It's fall. Leaves everywhere. How about that for a difference? Wheels make it. You know, even with fresh paint, this car's sitting there on those old wheels.
Wheels are like shoes.
They are, 100%. Trying not to get these things dirty. She thick. Thick.
And COYOTE or not? No.
Yeah, no. Oof.
Let me.
There, we'll drop her.
Yeah.
There's 2 of them at the moment. She all the way down?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Coming down. You ready for this? You need like a, you need anything before we?
I don't.
Okay, alright, cool.
Okay. Alright, get the fingers clear?
Yeah, let her down. Oh Lord. We're definitely gonna have to cut springs. Hold on, no, it's not official. We gotta put the center caps in. And then it'll be official. Yeah. Yeah. Man. God, yes, I know. It needs, we need to do the altitude adjustment. But let me just tell y'all. That right there. What do you think, Dover?
I love it.
Approved?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's amazing, even with fresh paint and old crappy wheels, it doesn't look all that great, but you put some wheels on it, oh my God. Yeah, we're gonna stance her down. Oh, that looks good. And I even ceramic coated them before I brought them out here. Like, man, the barrels, everything. Yeah. What do you know about that? And then the 275 is obviously on a coupe. Meaty. Too meaty. I'm not gonna leave them on, but everybody was saying we needed to go ahead and put them on so we could get a good idea of how she's gonna look. But I'm gonna say that right there is the money shot. All right, guys, I guess I'm done drooling for the time being, but man, I'm gonna tell you, won't be long. Now that I got the trans in, build the engine bay, I cannot get over this. It's just amazing what finally putting some wheels on does for a fresh painted coupe. Wait till we get her stanced out, boys. I'm telling you, it's gonna be amazing. Guys, next video, update on my car. It's coming along. And also, we're about to see you guys in Texas for the LMR Cruise In. Cannot wait to see everybody. It's gonna be a hell of a time as always. So in the meantime, if you enjoyed this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.